semua. Okay, today I'm just gonna make a very short food review for a restaurant yang baru buka dekat Saleng, Senai. Nama kedai ni is Nasi Kandar Royale. Okay, diorang beratur quite lama lah nak beli. So kebetulan hari ni diorang pergi lunch kat situ. Thank you so much tapalkan ni. So kita tengok apa yang ada kat dalam ni. Okay, makan while still panas, nasi kandar, makan dengan tangan. Okay, tada, banyaknya kuah. Kuah dia pekat, dia macam kuah kicap je. Oh, let's see. Aduh, drenched in kuah. Ni kuah apa ni? Kuah kari. It looks like what is this? It looks like beef, which I don't eat. I haven't eaten beef in like 3 years. Red meat, no red meat. I used to like eating lamb, but ada ayam, of course wajib, sayur, dan ada telur masin. Tapi I think lah this is organ dalaman. Okay, let's see. Quick prayer. Okay. Let's try ya. Sayur sikit, ayam sikit, telur sikit. Ada? Kat bawah dia. Sedap. Sayur dia sedap. Sayur campur, kubis, carrot, buncis. Sekarang baru rasa pedas. Pedas dia tak pedas sangat. Just nice. Dah lama tak makan telur masin. Batu panas-panas. Tadi pukul berapa tadi? Pukul 1. Panas, babe. Today is so hot. What are you guys having for lunch? So good. Minum air kelapa dan panas-panas. Tapi dalam cup lah. Sedap. Boleh pergi check it out. Nasi Kandar Royale. Okay, so Google je ways, and I akan put more info dekat the description box. Itu je lah. So kalau you guys pergi nanti, pergi try, enjoy, and happy Chinese New Year, happy holidays to all. Bye.